An emergency alert flashes across every screen. No questions, only compliance. The state can trigger false alarms at will, shaping fear, movement, and obedience. It's not a malfunction. It's a system, precise, deliberate, invisible. Each warning calculated to test reactions, to track, to control. You cannot verify the threat. You only respond. How many times have you changed your route, your plans, your decisions because a voice told you to? The next alert may not be real, but your reaction will be. They expected you to obey.